What is meditation? Meditation is a practical tool that you can observe your mind, body, and emotion to feel them and to clear their old thoughts, energy, and feelings and emotion out of your system. You can also use meditation to build new thoughts, feelings, energy, and emotion. In other words, meditation is the shower for your mind. A lot of people take shower for their body every day to clear their physical hygiene, to have the physical hygiene, but a lot of people do not know how to clear their mind and emotion. So now meditation is the tools that you can clear your mind, clear your emotion so that you feel vital and you feel strong in your mind and soul. What is not meditation? A lot of people think that if I meditate, I just have to stop thinking and don't have to do anything at all. I have to go to the cave and just sit down alone by myself. It is not true. You cannot stop thinking. Even the enlightened person think, but you can learn how to deal with your thoughts. By the way, I would like to share what is the thoughts and emotions are about. These are the energy which are recycling around our world. It's mean when all the people are thinking the bad or negative thoughts or having the anxiety around you, you can't be happy, center, and not thinking the negative thoughts anyway. That is why meditation is all about managing your thoughts and emotion rather than not thinking at all. When you are thinking, you can also think consciously if you know how to control your thoughts and emotion. You can now think of this meditation as a process of clearing or purifying gold or any kinds of material. As an example, now you can imagine that there is a gold, but not 100% pure gold. If you would like to clarify this pure gold, we will need 100% pure gold. You have to make a kind of cycle form. I don't find anything. So you just have to go through that unpurified gold into that 100% pure gold, into that. With that, that unpurifying gold will become 100% pure. The same fact, when you are meditating, you are observing your body with that unjudgment or just pure mind, observing without judging yourself. That itself make your mind, body, and emotion clearer. So that is the first example of what the meditation is about. And the second, you can have the example of having the mud in your body. Let's say you go out on the rainy day and your whole boot gets sweat and all this mud are on your feet. So all this mud coming from the water. If you would like to clarify all this mud, you just have to come back home and take shower with this pure water. It's the same is true for the meditation. Wherever you are, whomever that you are dealing with throughout the day, you can come back home observing all these feelings and emotion, the negative thoughts, and all this going on in your body and mind. By observing yourself in different forms, you can purify your mind and emotion. That is meditation. And last but not least, I want to share that meditation is not that experience you just close your eyes and I will meditate with guided meditation or anywhere else. As soon as you close your eyes and you feel this joy, peace, and serenity. It is not. Because when you close your eyes and concentrate on your body and mind, the first thing it will come up to the surface are your fears, your worries and anxiety, the physical and mental pain. You just have to face them and feel them again so that you can release them out of the system. In other words, meditation is a warrior way. You have to face your fear, and without judging them, when you don't judge them and accept them as they are, they will fade away and getting out of your system. You will turn all these fears into courage, all this anxiety into the creative force. That is meditation.